car is ready and prepped for paint. Very big, exciting moment right now. Been waiting a long time for this, so I'm real excited. Hopefully it comes out super freaking sick. The color is a color I've been wanting to do for a long time. So hopefully this thing comes out amazing. I'm confident in Randy. Hopefully it comes out nice. I'm super excited. We are making this color here, plastic and stock 240. I don't like the same color as the car because it kind of ruins the contrast of it in my opinion. So Randy was nice enough to paint this black for me really quick. He makes it nice and black and shiny. But the rest of the car will be a very cool color, and you guys will see that very soon. Relaxing, grease moving the entire car, getting ready for some sealer. Randy's going on the last fender right now, and then we get some sealer on this thing. And it's time for paint after that. Okay, so it's finally time to reveal the color of my car. Now, as you guys know, my truck, my Chevy Silverado, is a dark spiral gray. Since I was little, I've always loved the color of that truck. Now I have that truck, and the color is actually super nice, super beautiful, and I've always wanted to have my car match my tow rig, and the color is beautiful, and I've always wanted to have this color, always. And I'm not like a color guy. It's a shade. I don't like blue. I don't like pink. I don't like red. I don't like any of that crap. I like shades. So this color is nice and pearly, and a bunch of different colors in there. And it's super pretty. So I'm real excited to get this thing on the car. And so I'll reveal it right now. And it is, oh yeah. That color is a GM color. It's dark spiral gray. Has a lot of different colors in it. Super pretty, like green, blue, kind of a red. I can't even see that. It's just super nice. So it is just, oh yeah. I'm super excited. You ready?
Oh yeah.
I'm ready. You ready? It's been a long fucking time coming. Jesus Christ. The moment we've all been waiting for. The colors finally go on the car. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God. It's going. It's going. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh. Oh yeah, it looks fucking good. It's in clear right now for the final stage of clear coat. It's gonna be glossy. It's gonna be shiny, shiny. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All the clear is on. It looks sick. It looks so good. Oh man. Oh man. It looks sick. It looks pretty fucking damn good. Oh man. Shit looks sick as fuck. Woo! This is gonna look really good when it's done. Alrighty, so it is the next day and the car looks absolutely insane. The color is beautiful. It's curing right now. Well, it's already cured, but it looks amazing. Cured overnight. We're gonna take it out now and get the wheels on. I'm really excited to get the wheels on and to see the contrast of the silver and the dark spiral gray. So I'm real excited. And this thing looks so crazy. Today it's time to paint the kit and the hood and all the good stuff. So I won't be here. I need to go over to the shop and help Freddie start finishing rewiring the car, and then we will have Randy come in here and prep these and get these ready for paint, and then paint them tonight or tomorrow, and then come back and get these and put them on the car. But I have so much going on at once, trying to meet the deadline, trying to get it going right without rushing. We're working pretty fast, but I don't think we're rushing. We're doing it nice and at a good pace and getting things done right, because if you rush, things get messed up, and I think it's going good so far. So I'm gonna let Randy take care of all this stuff and get it painted, ready to go, while we're over at the shop, getting things wired up so the car can actually freaking run on a standalone ECU Master EMU Black. I'm super excited to have this thing freaking running and looking beautiful. So it's a whole big process. It's all coming together. So I'm really excited.